Brims and skirts are two types of structures that help with improving the printing process and the quality of the print. A brim is a flat layer of extra material that extends outwards from the base of the printed object, similar to a brim of a hat. This increases the contact area of the part and helps with adhesion, warping, as well as stabilizing tall, narrow prints. Skirts are outlines around the object, but not connected like a brim. Skirts help prime the nozzle, ensuring that filament is flowing smoothly before the main print begins. It's also useful to print skirts to check the bed leveling before the main object is printed. To adjust these settings, they can be found under Prepare, Process, Others, and under Bed Adhesion. These settings are usually automatically set and don't need adjusting. If you do choose to, you can adjust the amount of loops in the skirt, as well as the height of the skirt. For brims, you can adjust the type as well as the width and distance from the object. Further down in the Others tab are some fun settings worth noting in special mode. Spiral vase, as the name suggests, prints objects in a continuous spiral, creating a single continuous outer wall without layer separations. Fuzzy skin, as the name suggests, creates a rough textured surface on the outer wall of a 3D print. This texture can add a tactile and visual appeal. Once checked on, there are various settings you can adjust. The placement of the fuzzy skin, as well as the amount of texture by adjusting its point distance and thickness. Above Special Mode, there is a section for Prime Tower. A prime tower, also known as a purge tower or wipe tower, is a structure printed alongside the main object that serves to prime the extruder to make sure filament has a consistent flow when switching between different colors in a multicolor print. Users can adjust the width and volume, but in my experience isn't necessary. In our next video, we will go over color schemes in Print Preview, as well as automatic overhang inspection.